channel, and today FunAryan is back on fire. And today we are going to make a quick smoothie bowl, and it looks delicious and it tastes yummy. Come join with me. Smoothie bowl, we need 1 frozen banana, handful of spinach, half apple and some oats. And once the smoothie is ready, then we'll put some fruits and seeds, some oats, and then let's crush. Oh, here we go. Our smoothie is ready. Now that our smoothie is ready, now let's put our fruits and seeds. First I'm putting banana. Apple. Seeds. Let's have our yummy, super healthy, delicious smoothie bowl. Yum. It's yummy, and I am going to finish my smoothie bowl soon. And which fruits will you make your smoothie bowl? Just put in the comments. And if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. FunAryan. Thank you. Please